Hello, dear students. Myself, Prakash Ranjan, your physics mentor from Impulse J. Today, I am going to discuss a problem again from Pathfinder Physics for Olympiads. This question is related with relative motion concept from kinematics and famous with Beetle problem. So maybe you have tried this sum, or maybe many of you are not able to sum this sum. So today I am going to solve this question, and I will try to solve this question from geometry. I am going to avoid the calculus part here. So let's try this sum. If you have not tried, then before watching, once you give the attempt to solve this question, then you can watch this channel. Question is, a stick AB of length L stands vertically on a horizontal floor, leaning on a wall. A beetle P starts climbing the stick from the floor. When the beetle starts climbing, the lower end B of the stick is made to move away from the wall with a constant velocity V. The beetle P climbs the stick with a constant speed u relative to the stick. If the upper end A does not leave the wall, what maximum height can the beetle rise? So see how to predict when beetle will reach the maximum height. See, this is the surface on which, and this is the ladder on which beetle is going to climb. This is the situation at any angle theta. So we can say if at any instant beetle is here and going with constant relative speed u, so how to decide whether its height is still rising or falling, because this end is also moving with a constant velocity v. So it might be possible after reaching a certain distance, this height from the vertical started to reduce. Say if this is h, how we can decide where it is going to happen? Then one thing we can say is raising the height vertically. It means the beetle is moving towards the wall in the horizontal direction. That we can say. What does it mean? If this is the direction of beetle and suppose this angle is if theta, then this will be also theta. So we can say the value of u cos theta must be greater than v. Then we can say beetle is still gaining the height in the vertical direction because it is coming closer this wall. As the beetle be close to wall, its height will be increasing, isn't it? But if suppose this situation comes when it is reversed, u cos theta is less than v. It means in the horizontal direction, if you compare with this relative motion, then we can say it has a speed in this direction v also. What does it mean? Now beetle starts going away from this wall, means it cannot raise the height further. This is the 2 points where we need to think. So say I am going to solve this question from the geometry. We can say at any instant, say t, beetle is here at time t. So the distance traveled by beetle will be say ut, and this height we can say h is nothing but ut sin theta. Since the length of this stick is L, so this distance will be how much? L cos theta. When beetle starts to climb, that time stick was vertical. So at this scenario, this point B is moved by this distance L cos theta. So time taken to move this, we can write L cos theta by V. This is the time t. So if we substitute this value, then we have UL by V sin theta cos theta. If we multiply and divide by 2, then we have UL by 2V sine 2 theta. This is the value of h. So what we can say for h max, sine 2 theta will have this maximum value, means theta is nothing but 45 degree, isn't it? So h max, we can write this as ul by 2v, means it has moved up to here only. What does it mean? After that, this holds true, means u cos theta is now less than v. That's why after reaching this height at this particular angle 45 degree, it starts falling vertically down. So this is the maximum height reached. And here this theta value is nothing but 45 degree. You can give this equality sign also. So this is root 2v. Suppose after this point also, if Beetle has such a value of u, because it does not depend only on the theta, it depends on the u also. If u is set such a value such that it is still going towards the wall, this might be the another case. What does it mean? Definitely u cos theta must be greater than v, then only it will happen. So now we can say if u cos 45 is still greater than this v, means u is greater than this v, then the Beetle is still coming close to this wall, means raising this height. So in such a situation, we can say the Beetle reaches to this top before the stick is completely going to fall down, or it starts falling the height. So the time taken by the Beetle to reach from B to A will be simply L by U. So time will be L by U. So the horizontal distance moved by this point B, horizontal distance moved by end B will be V times this time, which is L by U. So now we have this base. Suppose situation is this L, we have this value VL by U. So this is the required value H. So this H is a square root of L square minus VL by U square, which is nothing but if we take L common, then 1 by V by U square. This is possible only if U cos 45 is greater than or equals to V. So this is the our required case. I think you have understood the concept, and if you have any doubt, then you can write me in comment box. I will try to clear your doubt. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching my channel.